Hi everyone! We got an early start this morning. The kids still have their jammies on, and we thought we would take you along with us as we go on our nature walk. We're going to put together our 4th day of creation, sun, stars, and moon mobile from our My Father's World Week 4 study. Let's look over here. There's some sticks over here we can use.
Yeah, we can use some sticks.
We need some little smooth sticks. Oh, here's one that we can use right here. There's one.
What's this?
That's a big stick.
I find it. I find it right there.
You found it right there? All right, let's walk over this way, see what else we can find. You having fun, Oliver? Good. It is absolutely beautiful this morning, isn't it? What are you trying to reach, Ellie? You're trying to reach the leaves way up here? Maybe we should find some shorter leaves, right? Wow, Ellie, that's a big one. That's a big one. You found all kinds of treasures. You found a leaf, and some grass, and a big stick. Good job. Hey, Oliver, come show Mommy your sticks that you got.
I got these sticks.
Show Mommy.
Let's go get some more leaves.
Wow.
3.
Mr. Fox.
Only I had 3 sticks. Let's go find some more.
Alright, so for our creation mobile, all we need is some paper for the sun and the stars, some scissors for the twine, and some sticks that we just found this morning from our nature walk. So all we have to do is we have to put some twine on the middle part here, see? And that will hold the 2 sticks together. Then we can put our 4th day of creation on it. And we have our twine on in the middle holding it together. So today we started week 5 of our curriculum, and this week's study is all about leaves. We're gonna pick some leaves. For this particular activity, they were searching for a bunch of leaves to dry out and use them for counting later. Go this way. We can get a couple of those leaves. doing this morning?
It's like the wind.
We are collecting leaves. We're going to put them in a book and we're going to dry them out. Can you say hi to everybody? Say hi! No, we got a shy one. I see you. Yeah, we're doing some leaf rubbing. See the veins starting to appear? They're starting to appear, look at that. If you color it sideways, you'll also get them to appear as well. While the kids were finishing their leaf rubbing, I went ahead and did their reading assignment for today, which was out of the book God's Amazing World. It's a great way to introduce both the Bible and science together. So for our last nature craft of the day, we decided to do little nature journals. We just cut apart some 5x7 sheets of cardboard. You can use any cardboard box. And then just using twine again with your scissors and tape. And that's it. And it turned out really durable. The kids are excited to take all their little nature clippings and findings and create some beautiful pages in their new nature journals. So this is Oliver's completed little nature journal. He had a lot of fun taking all of his favorite little nature walk treasures and making beautiful pages in his little journal.